Okay, go. Now, if you push that gas pedal a little bit, it'll go slow. If you push it hard, it'll go fast. So just push it a little bit. See? It's just like a real car. Slow.
Fast.
Well, slow. Start slow. Just a little pedal. Little pedal. Little pedal. Now try hitting the red one real quick. That's the brake. Red. Red one. So start it on the gas and then take your foot off the gas. No, no, no. Don't use 2 feet.